Good morning. Welcome to this edition of My Wild Backyard, where the garden shears are broken and gravity only halfway applies. And I'm tired. And my garden runneth over me. Okay, so I haven't made a video in a while. I've been pretty busy. And we've been getting a lot of storms. So it probably looks a little different. I got this on a leaf, so I took it off. So, amaranthus, calendula, they already bloomed and I was letting them self-seed because this is the second year of this plant. So I left the roots and the base, I just cut it off to the base of the plants and they came back like, really good. So this little section of this garden bed right here is just gonna be calendula. We're just gonna leave it there. We got purple beans and green beans here. Very magical. It's growing all the way up there. And my neighbor is just so excited about it. He's like, I get all the green beans on my side, right? We share a backyard, so he's just nice enough to allow me to do whatever I want back here. And it's weird because I did not intentionally plant these huge amaranthus seeds. Amaranthus seeds are so tiny, it's hard to purposely plant them anywhere, but they will go everywhere. This is like a messy area here. What are you? Huh? You look weird. What are you? Oh. Just like a moth or something. Oh, what a delight. Always nice to see mushrooms in your garden. The fungus among us. I need to work on this sunflower area. The problem is there's a black widow over here and it has like an extension of its web that you can't really see going up this stalk. So when I water over here, the spider goes up into this area and it freaks me out. So I kind of have been neglecting this area because it freaks me out now. Usually I just will expel the black widows, but I just haven't been on top of everything lately. But, not all of them work out. You can see this little shrivelly wimp didn't work out. That's fine. It's fine because there's way more where that came from. So the Three Sisters corner is just breathtaking. Like some of these leaves are so big. They're just nom nom. Okay. Hello, darling. Eggplant. But the interesting one is over here. Look at that baby eggplant. And that baby dog. No pictures, please, Mom. No pictures, please. Obviously, I need to do some weeding. We got some little pepper plants right there. We got a crazy, crazy grape tomato plant that has just gone to the point of literal insanity. Dude. We have a lot coming in, but I gotta get over there to show you. I have to walk through the forest. To go through the forest. Okay, we are at the other side. Grape tomatoes. They went crazy. They went everywhere they want to, and so the lily turf is in bloom, but it is also helping out my grape tomato crazy plant that wants to go everywhere. So it's supporting. So like this plant, this lily turf, I found by a trash can, and that was like years and like half a decade ago, and now it is a staple in my life and in this tomato plant's life. Okay, those things I find sentimental. All the bugs really, really, really love these banana pepper leaves. So I had to stop trimming them off, because if I trimmed all the ones off that were being eaten, it couldn't perform photosynthesis correctly anymore. So I just have to deal with this holy plant. Sweet peppers, see, but they don't get, like, the leaves don't get chewed on as much as these do. Johnny jump ups, basil, which I'm surprised that basil gets eaten by the bugs. You would think it's a little too like aromatic or whatever, but it's not. My Simpson's lettuce, like it's called like Black Simpson, I think. This lettuce, I'm letting it go to seed. And I also want to point something out, and I don't know if other people notice things like this or care, but like, you know, I'm a sloppy seed planter, but it just happens to be that these 3 lettuce stalks are in alignment with each other like that. Like, I didn't do that, but see, it's dramatic to me. I don't know. Whatever, I'm done. I'm still waiting. These are Cherokee purple tomato. I'm still waiting for them to start dropping fruit. I haven't seen the fruit start forming yet. This is ground cherry. Let's just see 2 little ants. Look at this little snail. Come on, bro. Okay. Yeah, so, oh yeah, there was, so I know I've showed you guys this mystery plant I had going in this garden bed up here. Well, it's now flowering. Hold on. Where'd it go? There it is. Okay, I haven't looked it up on Google yet, but look. See, I was like, I don't know what these are. And now they're flowering. So I'm glad I kept them there and watered them anyways. And you know, this, it's hard to actually see the plant with all the vegetation growing, but my red spiderling is so big. It's so big. Look, this is the little purple blooms. This is a native plant in Arizona. It's growing up on my porch. It's a huge plant. The center of the plant is right here. So it's where it starts. And it goes, and it goes, and it goes all the way. It's spread all the way around this whole thing. It's amazing. This is my guard dog, my family dog, my Labradorian. And that's my baby car. It's my baby.